All right, everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you and break down exactly how I made $5,000 on Christmas Eve. Well, to be fair, on US 30, I actually only made $3,800, but between my other trades, ending the day with basically $5,000. Could have made a lot more money on this trade. This is US 30 signal alert that I sent out. Not only did I make money, but anyone that took the trade made money as well. So, with that being said, let's dive into this video. As always, if you're new and stepping to the channel, all I ask is that you hit the subscribe button. As long as you subscribe to the channel, my goal and motivation is to keep putting as much free content, resources out there for you as possible. So it's going to benefit you, it's going to benefit me, it's benefiting me because my goal is to basically get this channel to 100,000 subscribers and get that silver YouTube play button. But ultimately, I enjoy the feeling of just growing something, right? Growing my trading account, growing this YouTube channel, growing our free Discord community, which, by the way, click the link below this YouTube video. You'll be able to join our 100% free Discord community. There is no charge for it. There is no email that we're asking you for. You simply just click the link below this video and you can join. And you can see that this is the profits room where everyone posts up their profits for the day, whether they're trading on their own or they're using our signals. We have members anywhere from today making $500 in profit, $109 in profit, $200. I right here, as mentioned, made $5,000. US 30, 3,800 bucks. I took one lot, and again, I'm going to break all this down for you guys. I'm going to break down where I basically sold this trade, right? Where I sold my areas of take profit, how much more I could have made if I held on to the trade, as well as how much you could have made whether you're trading with $1,000 account or you're trading with a $5 account. So this video is not just going to be about me. It's going to be about you guys as well and how you guys could easily do this as well and just overall learn why I took this position, this trade. So this member, $100 in profit, they said they officially crossed $3,000, so very, very happy for them. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. Again, people are making a lot of money. This member right here made $1,000. So a lot of money is being made, right? And it's no better feeling than making a lot of money on Christmas Eve. So again, join the Discord, links below this YouTube video. I'm going to pull over the Telegram group where I send the signals. So you guys can see here from a transparency standpoint, the signal on US 30, the signal alert was to sell at 4,300, right? 43,035. It did automatically hit take profit 1 through take profit 3, and this is me being actually in the trade, right? So again, we were at take profit 3. I was up $4,700 in profit. It started basically retrace. When it started to retrace, that's when I decided to close out of the trade. So now let's take a look at why I took the trade, right? So let's pull this back over here. Why did I take this trade? Why did I take this trade? Now I took this trade even knowing the market took off running, right? So the market took off running today, not only on US 30, but NAS 100 as well. Both of these, the market just took off running. Did not expect that at all. The reason I took US 30 from a sell standpoint is because multiple things, right? One, market is closed tomorrow. Market is closed tomorrow because it's Christmas. Nobody wants to hold positions overnight, so everyone's looking to basically liquidate their positions because you got to remember US 30, NAS 100. This moves not just because of forex, right? It moves because people are trading options, futures, stocks, shares. The list goes on and on and on. So nobody wants to hold on these positions during Christmas, right? And typically what you see, right? Typically what you see as we're going into like the weekend or we're going into a holiday, you typically see the market be extremely, extremely bearish, right? Selling off. Didn't really happen here. I mean, started to, but didn't. What I was really liking here is that it's squeezed up, right? So we, looking at the bigger picture here, what happened was it squeezed up, was basically consolidating. It kept peaking out at basically this let me draw this right here. This resistance area, okay? So pushed up, came down, pushed up, and this has to do with yesterday's action too, right? Where it had gapped up, and then we basically pulled down, and the market has just been very, very choppy lately. But with this one, I was basically watching for it to act as resistance and then basically crack the support level. So let's talk about my area, my signal alert where I look to sell, right? So the market opens 8:30, right? 8:30 my time. Market opens 8:30 my time. So I need to know where I'm looking to sell this thing, right? Now, ultimately, I have it in my head. I want to sell this, right? I want to sell it because it's Tuesday, Christmas Eve, going into Christmas Day, right? It's going to Christmas Day. Market's closed tomorrow. Nobody's going to want to hold. Nobody's going to want to hold their trades. So I'm going to look to sell this, right? I'm going to look to sell it based on the action. It's been, basically pushed up. It's basically, if you look at this, it has basically been consolidating, right? It's basically been consolidating. So I kind of know, I'm like, all right, well, I'm not looking for this one to take off running. I don't want today to be a bullish running day. So I'm telling myself I'm looking to sell this. Where am I going to look to sell it? So now what happened was, right, just slightly before 8:30, this candle here basically opened, squeezed up, started pulling back. Now I knew I knew this area was going to be one of my areas of take profit or hit, because these candles, right, these candles basically hit one, two, this was acting as a support level, right? Basically acted as a support level. So I was like, all right, well, I want to see this area definitely crack. It's definitely going to be an area of take profit, but I need to know where to sell it. So ultimately, my area of to sell was right here. I wish I could make this thing smaller. I can make this thing much, much smaller. It's just too thick. I don't want to fuck with this right now. Anyways, that was my area. My area I was looking to sell is basically this body of candle, because if I kind of draw that over, it's kind of hit this area of resistance. Basically, this is obviously a key target area, right? So this is a key target area, and as you see me drawing these dots, you'll kind of see like, okay, I see what he's talking about. So this was an area that, again, I was looking to basically sell, right? So this is my area. I want to sell this, okay? My next area of take profit is where, right? Now, basically, my next area of take profit is going to be close to this wick right here. Let me just close to this wick right here. But if I draw across, it's like, all right, well, that's pretty close to here, pretty close to there. Okay, so that's going to be area of take profit. Next area of take profit, looking further down, what do we have? We have this, that, this. So that's where I basically drew that line. I'm like, okay, this is going to be TP3. TP3. Okay. Now, again, when I'm looking to place a trade, guys, I have to everything has to line up, right? What has basically been doing, right? What it has been doing, and where am I going to look to enter, right? Where am I going to look to enter? Where's going to be my area of take profit one? Where's going to be my area of take profit two? And where's basically going to be my area of take profit three? Now, again, every trade I take, I like to, with US 30 and NAS 100, I like to try and capture like 50 points, right? Because if it goes from 43,000 all the way down to say, 42,950, that's 50 points, right? So 50 points, right? Let's basically do a pending trade, right? Even though the market's closed right now, we're going to do a pending sell trade of one lot, right? One lot, pull that all the way down to my entry, right? And this is going to start to make sense for you guys, right? Pull that all the way down to my entry. My entry, again, from the signal was 43,035. Actually, let me get rid of some of these here. Let me get rid of some of these, just so it's not so much stuff. Okay, so again, Telegram, signal, 43,035. That's where my entry was, okay? 43,000. Now, sell it, one lot, means my position size is basically $21,000. So I need to take one lot of US 30. I need to have a $21,000 account. A lot of you guys don't have that, and that's okay, because you can either use one, a funded account, or two, you could basically just use smaller size. And I'm going to show you guys how even smaller size goes a long way and how you can still make a lot of money with small size. So in this case, one lot I take, right? And then I want to put my area of take profit. So if I put my area of take profit at 42,950, because again, I like to try and capture 50 points, but that's not always the case every single day. 50 points allows me to basically make $5,000. Now, it's simple math, guys, right? If I come every single day and perfect day, perfect world, $5,000, and there's 20 trading days a month, right? That basically gives me $100,000 in profit for the month. But again, Not every day is going to be a green day. So let's assume that I am only 50% profitable. 50% profitable, that means I'm basically doing $50,000 a month. But even if I'm not 50% profitable and I'm less than that, I'm still making money, right? So now, again, people might say, well, it's easy to make $5,000 every single day if you have $21,000 in your account and you're able to take one lot. But let's pretend you only have $1,000 to trade with. So if you have $1,000 to trade with, right, you could take basically 0.04 lots. So to take 0.04 lots, if you see right down here at the bottom right where my cursor is, you basically need $866 in your trading account to take 0.04 lots. If you take 0.04 lots and you enter here and you basically take your trade down here, you close out your trade here at the very just slightly below take profit 3, you're basically making $200. This trade, right? This trade that I made was literally less than 4 minutes long. As soon as the market opened, she started dropping down, hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. To be more transparent, it was actually like 2 minutes to be fair. It was actually 2 minutes because again, the market opens at 8:30 Central Time, 9:30 Eastern Time, and you can basically see here in the Telegram at 8:31 a.m. Right, that's when I confirmed that it had hit take profit 3. So this was posted at 8:32 a.m. So literally this trade was basically a 2-minute trade. So within 2 minutes, I basically made $5,000, and within 2 minutes, even with 0.04 lots, you could have made $200. But again, the smallest size you could take is 0.01 lot. To take 0.01 lot of US 30 for this quick action move, you could have made $50. But it's very important when you take a trade, guys. It is very, very important, and we're going to talk about this in another video on how that when I get into a trade, right, I might have my stop loss, wherever my stop loss, right. So wherever your stop loss is, right. So if my stop loss, I know where I'm looking to stop out mentally, right, and everything. But wherever I'm looking to stop out, once the trade goes in my favor, I'm instantly adjusting my stop loss. So no matter what, I win a trade pretty much every single time. Even if I get out, right? So even if my stop loss, if the trade goes up 5,000 as a profit and it comes back and closes me out for 377, I mean, I'm not happy about it. It is what it is. Really, I should be getting out for if you get a trade at basically take profit 3, your stop loss. This is what we call a stop loss profit. This should be at least at take profit 1, take profit 2, or somewhere in between. You would never want to leave, right? So you never want to leave a fixed stop loss. So we're gonna talk about that in another YouTube video. But that's it. Solid day, Christmas Eve. For those that whether you believe in Christmas or don't believe in Christmas, I hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday. Solid day, solid day. Guys, we have the free Discord community. Feel free to join it. Ask questions. We got the trading chat room. Ask questions. Hang out. Be part of the team. Be part of the community. I made this. We built this. So people have a place to go to learn, earn, ask questions, and just be part of a really good team and a really good family. But that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below, and have a wonderful day. Cheers.